Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Bitcoin forms a bearish ABCD pattern as it nears $83,800 support. Explore the latest Bitcoin price prediction and key levels before the next move. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 4 hours ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin, BTC/USD, is showing signs of exhaustion after forming a bearish ABCD pattern, with price slipping toward the key $83,800 support zone. The structure mirrors past market tops, suggesting sellers may not be finished yet. As momentum fades and the 20-week EMA turns lower, traders are watching whether this level can hold, or if a deeper correction is just beginning. Singapore's SGX to launch Bitcoin and Ether perpetual futures. Singapore Exchange, SGX, will launch Bitcoin and Ether perpetual futures on November 24th, aiming to meet rising institutional demand for crypto exposure. The products, regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, allow accredited investors to trade BTC and ETH price movements without expiry dates, a structure already popular in global derivatives markets. This marks Singapore's second perpetual futures rollout in 2025, following EDXM's July launch, reinforcing the nation's role as a regional digital asset hub. SGX said the initiative strengthens the bridge between crypto and traditional finance, while maintaining strict oversight to ensure compliance and investor protection. Greater institutional participation typically enhances market liquidity, stability, and long-term Bitcoin demand, a positive development for the broader crypto market. Crypto ETPs record $2 billion in outflows, largest drop since February. Cryptocurrency exchange-traded products, ETPs, saw $2 billion in outflows last week, marking the largest weekly withdrawal since February, according to CoinShares. Outflows surged 71% from the previous week's $1.17 billion, bringing total redemptions over the past 3 weeks to $3.2 billion. CoinShares head of research James Butterfill attributed the decline to selling by large crypto-native investors and monetary policy uncertainty, which has dampened risk appetite. As a result, total assets under management in crypto ETPs dropped from an October peak of $264 billion to $191 billion, a 27% decline. Regionally, the U.S. accounted for 97% of all outflows, while Germany stood out with $13.2 million in inflows, signaling selective European resilience. By asset, Bitcoin ETPs saw $1.4 billion in outflows, and Ether ETPs lost $700 million, while Solana and XRP products posted smaller declines. Despite the retreat, inflows into short Bitcoin and diversified products indicate investors are rotating exposure rather than exiting the market entirely. Historically, such large-scale outflows have applied short-term pressure on Bitcoin's price but tend to ease once policy clarity and market sentiment stabilize, paving the way for a potential long-term recovery. BTC Incorporated names Brandon Green as CEO amid 140% revenue surge. BTC Incorporated, the parent company of Bitcoin Magazine and the Bitcoin Conference, has appointed Brandon Green as its new CEO. Green, who joined the firm in 2017, has played a key role in expanding Bitcoin events to Abu Dhabi, Hong Kong, and Amsterdam. Former CEO David Bailey will remain as chairman of the board. The company reported strong financial performance for the first 9 months of 2025, with revenue up 140% year-over-year to $61.9 million and EBITDA reaching $23 million. Global conference attendance also climbed 45%, while Bitcoin Magazine drew over 175 million monthly impressions, reflecting expanding global engagement. Looking ahead to 2026, BTC Incorporated plans to accelerate international expansion and introduce new institutional-focused offerings. The company's growth reinforces confidence in the broader Bitcoin ecosystem, as strong corporate performance and rising global participation often signal deeper market maturity and long-term optimism for BTC. Bitcoin price prediction. Bearish ABCD pattern targets $83,800. Bitcoin price prediction remains bearish as BTC/USD slid to around $90,000. Right now, BTC is completing a bearish ABCD pattern, extending its decline toward the $83,800 demand zone after losing key support at $99,000. The ABCD structure, where the AB and CD legs mirror in length and slope, signals that BTC may be nearing the final stage of its correction. On the weekly chart, the CD leg aligns with the 127.2% Fibonacci extension from the AB swing, while RSI near 37 shows oversold conditions without yet confirming divergence. The 20-week EMA has turned lower for the first time this year, underscoring fading momentum, though the widening gap from price hints at a possible rebound. If buyers defend the $83,800 level, BTC could bounce toward $96,000 to $99,000, where the broken trendline now acts as resistance. A bullish engulfing candle near support could mark the start of recovery, while a drop below $83,000 would risk deeper losses towards $74,500. This ABCD setup suggests Bitcoin may be approaching its final corrective leg before a potential relief rally. Bitcoin Hyper, the next evolution of BTC on Solana. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is bringing a new phase to the Bitcoin ecosystem. While BTC remains the gold standard for security, Bitcoin Hyper adds what it always lacked: Solana-level speed. The result? Lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation, all secured by Bitcoin. Audited by Consult, the project emphasizes trust and scalability as adoption builds. And momentum is already strong. The pre-sale has surpassed $27 million, with tokens priced at just $0.013265 before the next increase. As Bitcoin activity climbs and demand for efficient BTC-based apps rises, Bitcoin Hyper stands out as the bridge uniting two of crypto's biggest ecosystems. If Bitcoin built the foundation, Bitcoin Hyper could make it fast, flexible, and fun again. Click here to participate in the pre-sale. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Bitcoin price falls as analysts point to hidden losses by a big player. New ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Binance Coin by the end of 2025. China's Alibaba AI predicts the price of XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum by the end of 2025. Bitcoin news. World's smartest man forecasts Bitcoin to reach $220,000 in the next 45 days. 18 hours ago, by Anas Hassan. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Is the bearish ABCD pattern pointing to a drop below $83,800? For hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. ETF hype dies fast as sellers crush XRP. What happens if $2.22 support fails? 9 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. November 6, 2025, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. For hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 10 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 22 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 17 hours ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025. 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.